introduction. Service2media is very delighted to be here today to share with you a major opportunity in mobile finance today. And this is mobile payments using a banking application. Service2media is working with large financial institutions worldwide to implement their app strategies on our app Lifecycle platform. What I'll show you today is an award-winning innovation, the latest in a series of innovations that we've done together with Rabobank in the field of banking and payments. The uniqueness of this solution is in the combination of payments in an existing banking app. So I'll first show you and give you an impression of the existing banking application that was introduced by Rabobank 3 years ago. I'll log in with my access code. I can make payments and transfers. For example, I can choose a deposit transfer here. And there's some unique things in it, like, for example, scanning of a deposit transfer. So I can keep this above a transfer, and then it's scanned. Optical character recognition fills this in the screen. Doing that now with the light, that's not working like that. And I'll show you this. Another thing is, for example, optionally you can choose such a gimmicky interface. I'm just drawing the money there. The ones who like it when I do this, it's 0 again. Right, so these kind of applications for financial institutions are really the cornerstone of your future client engagement strategy. Because clients are using mobile more and more, and the younger generation does only use apps. So to beef this up with some statistics, this particular banking application for Rabobank, already 30% of the people that were using online banking now use their app for banking and don't use online anymore. They're at 30% already. So let's now look at how we integrate payments into this banking application. And that's done with the protocol called Ideal. So you can make payments using your bank account. Ideal is used in the Netherlands for online payment transactions. It's an internet protocol that doesn't require any downloads or registration. The transfer is just made by going to your familiar banking interface. That's working online, and now it's working on mobile. So we brought this experience to mobile. So I'll now go out of the banking application and start a product shop. It can be any product shop. Rabobank did a proof of concept with many of the shops in the Netherlands, retail shops, with apps, with websites like this. This is just an example shop. And you can see that the product is filled in here. It's just €1 cent, to make it not too costly. Then you can select the bank. You see that the bank, Rabobank, is selected, and Ideal is selected as a payment method. I'm now ordering, and what happened actually is it now starts the banking application, the familiar interface, familiar mobile banking application that you just saw, started to do the payment from a shop. And I get the details directly filled in, as you can see. I now click on the payment. And I have to log in again, just as you saw me doing before, with my familiar access code. And everything is filled in. I can choose a bank account, to change this, for example, to this one. And I can pay with this bank account. Now a push message comes up. And this push message adds to the security experience that people get. Again, a familiar experience to the people using the banking application. I'll click on yes. And you see the payment is now in progress. And you can see that the order is performed. What happened in the background is that the payment is done and it's sent to the merchant, and the merchant pops up the shop again. So from this shop I can do a new transaction, for example, I can do something else. So you can see it's a very easy to use interface with a secure experience. Now, the big takeaway from this is this POC has been performed and people are interviewed, is that customers are willing to pay with apps. 94% of the people interviewed that use this application said that it's a welcome addition to the banking application. And the rating was very good. 85% even gave it an 8 or higher. And all of the participants, they wanted to use this app in the future. And even 90% of these said that they want to do more shopping because of this application. So these are very great results. And Rabobank has shared these results with all the banking banks in the Netherlands. Now I'm sharing them with you to standardize Ideal for mobile. It's already standardized online. Standardize it for mobile as well and commercialize it in the Netherlands. So concluding, payments are the big thing. All analysts say that. You as a financial industry can create the future, and you can create a future wherein the phone is the wallet. Either with this application that we showed or with any other banking application. Service2media would be very happy to assist you in implementing your app strategy. We're over here with our booth, and thank you very much.
That was Service2media. And next up we have Currency Fair, and we have Brett Mayers, who is their managing director, and